and welcome back to my channel Indian Mom in Israel. You must be wondering, what am I doing with this hair? What have I done? I have applied a hair mask that is already on my channel. It's actually a quicker version of that same mask, but if you want to know, I will definitely shoot that video for you the next time I make it, I apply it. Okay, so today we are going to make fish curry. Yes, we are going to make a fish curry, and this version actually is kind of a mix and match. I like to add some of my version, my ingredients, my twists into it. So this time I'm following it's kind of a Maharashtrian fish curry, but with a bit of twist. Yes, we are making the fish curry out of fish called niloktis. It's Nilus fish in Hebrew. So let's start with some dry roasting of the ingredients, and let's hear out what all you need and what quantities you will need. So here we go. 3 cloves of garlic, this very small piece of ginger, 4 red chilies, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. So here I have taken approximately 4 very small onions. You know those sambar onions that we get. I will show you. See these kind of small onions, baby onions. I have taken 4 of them, and 2 medium-sized tomatoes that I have cut into big pieces. So all of this that I have dry roasted, I will add it to this jar, and we will grind it to a very nice smooth paste. I will also be adding some coconut that I forgot to dry roast with this now, but I will do it now. So here I am adding approximately 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of coconut. I don't really like as much coconut in my fish curry, but I'm adding a bit for the flavor. Now I will just lightly roast it again with the coconut. And friends, I also added here, you see here, 2 pieces of cashew, 2 cashew nuts, just for that rich creamy taste. And now the coconut has started changing its color. You see, it started changing its color. We don't need to burn it, but just lightly roast, and it's ready. So here I have added the roasted spices and ingredients to this jar, but we will not grind it like this. We will let it cool a bit, and then we will grind it without adding any water. We will not add any water for the start. Later on we will see if we need some. You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars. So guys, I added approximately half a glass of water here because it was not grinding properly, and here we go again. So here our paste is ready, and I have taken out some aside because I thought that this might be a lot for us, and it's really bright orange in color, but I don't know why you're like in the camera it looks like yellow, pale yellow, but it's very nice and bright orange color. Guys, the pre-prep, the masala, the paste that we made here, you already saw, I shared with you. Along with that we need I will be using here another 2 cloves of garlic that I have chopped, roughly chopped. I like a lot of garlic in my fish curry. It gives a very nice taste. Then I have taken here just 1 cashew, you know, I have slit it into half, 2 red chilies, dry red chilies. Then here are those few fish pieces that I have applied salt and kept. This is the kokum, and these are the dry, not dry, frozen mango pieces. You know, the green mango, and I had frozen them, peeled, cut and frozen them to use in such curries. It gives very nice and tangy taste. Even this will give a nice and tangy taste, but each one has its own flavor. I'm adding both, and if you don't have any of these, then you can even use tamarind pulp, you know, just half a teaspoon of tamarind pulp, but you will need to add it later on in the curry when you add in the fish along with that we will add these tangy flavors. Then I have here a lot of coriander leaves that we will be using, the paste, and few spices like only turmeric. I think I will be using from here only turmeric, because we the rest of it we already have it in this paste. So not much of chopping, no much of spices into it, but it tastes amazing. So let's start. So to start with, heat up some 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. I have taken regular cooking oil. You can use coconut oil or mustard oil if you like. Then I added in the garlic cloves, and you need to roast them in the oil until it turns light brown, and then add in the red chili and the cashew. And then yes, I added half of the coriander leaves here, because if your coriander leaves turn pale green when you add them in the curry later on, then try this tip. Add them to the oil and you will see that it will stay green as fresh when your curry is ready. In the dark, all that I see when your stars have burnt. Guys, just make sure that you keep stirring the masala and try not to burn it. Then yeah, here I have added in 2 to 2.5 cups of water. The water depends on the consistency of the curry that you want. The 2.5 cups was good enough for me. Then dear friends, we are going to add the kokum and the green mango, the frozen green mango, and we will bring it to a boil. Friends, remember the remaining masala that we had kept in this box. So I'm going to store this in the freezer, and you can store this in the freezer for at least a month. So I'm going to freeze this and you can do the same. Alright, so the curry has been cooking for approximately 10 minutes now, and it looks amazing. So this is the time you need to check everything is good enough for your taste. It has this nice and tangy flavor of this mango, and it tastes amazing, but it's I think a bit less spicy for me, so I will add some more chili powder. If you don't eat spicy, then this quantity and this amount of chilies that we added was good enough, but for me it's not spicy enough. So I'm adding here half a teaspoon of chili powder again, and we will bring it to one boil, and then I'm going to add in the fish pieces. And your heart makes no sound. Now we will add in the fish pieces. So after adding the pieces, give it a nice mix very lightly, and then we will cover and let it cook for approximately 10 minutes or until your fish is well cooked. I'll find valid in your eyes. It's been 10 minutes now, and the curry looks amazing, and the consistency of the curry is exactly like I wanted, and the fish is also cooked. So what are we waiting for? You can serve this fish curry with plain white steamed rice, or with chapatis, with rotis, or with any, like even jeera rice. So here we go. So friends, आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं अब इस हालत में कहाँ भाग रही हूँ. तो I am running actually to pick up Ishai from the play school, because Alan जो है ट्रैफिक में अटक गया है. सो मुझे ही जाना पड़ रहा है, वो भी मास्क के साथ. मैंने हेयर मास्क लगाया है, आपको बताया था. सो यस, तो मिलती हूँ आपको घर पे ईशाई के साथ. So friends, this is the amazing fish curry, and I served it with jeera rice. So do let me know how did you like this recipe, and if you like it, please hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Indian Mom in Israel, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.